Yes, he's wringing the neck of that GP bike across the line now. I don't believe what I'm seeing.
I had a dream to be dripping off VVS diamonds. Now I'm flexing on Malcolm and I'm shining. 500K on the wrist, 60K in my mouth. I brush with Windex, gang.
Alright, look at these, little Yoko socks, fresh off the loom. Got a lovely face on the front, peace sign on the heel. They're soft as anything, organic cotton, no nasty bits. 15 quid a pair, 8